As of right now, I've been drawing every single day for more than 420 days, and my results have gone from that to that. Oh, actually, vice versa. I now have an editor, so I might as well exploit him. There is nothing magical about my achievement. I didn't get any brain-melting results, I didn't become a super cool artist, I'm not a prodigy, I'm just an ordinary guy. And if you like my results, then please consider watching this video. I tried to figure out the 3 main advice that helped me get to that point. The first and very important step is finding an answer to why you need to care about art. Why do you want to draw in the first place? I knew that art in my games was hot garbage, and being a student I couldn't afford to hire an artist, so I had to find some way to make my games a bit more appealing. I don't want to become a professional artist, and I certainly don't want to draw photorealistic stuff, because I have a camera for that. But I needed to somehow get better at art and make a simple art style that would help me visualize my game design. So knowing why you want to achieve something and if you want to achieve that at all is a very important step. So if you know an answer to this question, then you won't have to motivate yourself. You will work either just because you really like it, or because you know that you desire the result that you might get after doing that. Motivation in general is very unreliable when you want to get something done. If you're watching this video right now and you want to attempt a daily art challenge, daily programming, daily exercise, whatever, the best thing that you can do is start working on that goal today. Not tomorrow, not in a week, not on Monday, not yesterday, today. Don't postpone it again. Don't just say that, oh yeah, on weekends I will have plenty of time, that nobody will be able to distract me and I'll work for 6 hours straight. Because A, that will not happen, B, you will get burned out and you will lose all of your motivation. This leads us to the third point. Don't bite off more than you can chew. I can chew it. When I started this Draw Every Day for a Year challenge, it was already past midnight and I was very disappointed at myself because I was trying to complete some course and I understood that I was really not getting better at art at a good enough pace. So at around 3 AM I decided that I won't go to bed before I complete just 15 minutes of drawing. The sketch that I made was kind of bad, but that is also something that you have to take into account. The learning curve is not it is more like you will eventually become better at whatever that is that you are learning, but you need to understand that you will not get better with every single picture. Some of them will get worse, then they will get better. Worse, better, worse, better, but in general you'll be moving forward. So for myself, I decided to accept it and upload every single crappy sketch on DeviantArt. I don't care about watchers on DeviantArt or about this site in general, but it's just a system that allowed me to keep moving forward. It helped me to fix my discipline, and I knew that I had to upload something before going to bed, and well, I can now just scroll my page and see the progress. It's kind of cool. So if I were to sum it up in one sentence, first you need to decide what is your goal in life. What do you want to get a professional at? Then you start working on it the very day you decide it, because postponing doesn't work, trust me. And the third one is do it consistently every single day for at least 15 minutes a day. You can see it for longer, obviously. Right now every my picture takes approximately 30 minutes a day, but 15 minutes is the bare minimum, and it's the bare minimum that you can accomplish. Finally, please don't get discouraged. In my life, I tried to participate in numerous similar challenges. I tried to draw with pencil every day, then I tried pixel art, then digital art, animation, and every time I failed. I couldn't last even 10 days, but yeah, I was returning to it and eventually it worked out. At first I was drawing because I liked it, and it was just an interesting hobby. Then I kind of hated it, but thanks to discipline I could proceed. And in the end, I've earned some confidence in whatever that is that I'm doing, and I've established my own style that is suitable for me. And now I'm happy with the result. Not that the process of drawing, maybe I don't really enjoy it all that much at this point, but I gain some pleasure from the sense of mastery, or from the sense of understanding what that is that I'm doing, at least a little bit. Anyway, I hope that you will close this video right now and go work on your life goal. Today, work today, and I'll see you in the next video. Farewell!